So this is exactly what you guys asked for. You said new streaming application with a massive library of movies, TV shows, much better and much bigger than Netflix. You also said live TV content with a fully working program guide, 100% free, that you can enjoy on all devices. Well, this application ticks all of those boxes, works great on your Fire Sticks, Android TVs, doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. And with this new special version, it doesn't even have any adverts. So all of this great content across all of your devices, 100% free and 100% ad free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
So I'm doing my demonstration on my NVIDIA Shield Pro, but you can follow this process on any other Android TV device. And of course, your Amazon devices, Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, Fire TV Cubes can all use this application. It's even available for the Roku devices. Now, let me just say a big thanks to Daryl, who actually told me about this special version of this application where we can go ahead and enjoy all of this content interruption free. Let's open that up. Now, when you start the application for the first time, you can see they've gone for a new color scheme. Looks very Freevee-like. Even the logo for the application, the text they're using, the font they're using looks slightly different. So we can see here, welcome to unlimited movies, TV shows, and even live news channels. 100% legal, no subscription required, and you get lots of great content. Let's click on next. So it's just 3 times the content of Netflix. So that is a pretty big library. I mean, Netflix itself is a very large library. So to have 3 times that size of that library, I do think that's an impressive stat. Let's click on next. Available on all devices, phones, tablets, Roku devices, Android TVs, Fire Sticks, all devices covered. Get started. Let's get started. Now, it does say that you can create a free account if you want to. This will allow you to add things into your watch list. You can save your progress, and it does also give you some recommendations if you want to do that. But for this demonstration, I'm not going to log in. I'm going to continue as guest. I do believe even as guests, you do get the ability to continue watching, which I will demonstrate in just a second. Okay, so we are now in the new home screen. So the first thing we see is the brand new featured content. So some of the more popular content in here. If I just go to the left quickly first. If I go over to the settings, just to confirm that if I go down into about, we can see this version 8.4.1 is the latest version as of the 7th of March 2024. And the other thing I recommend going in here, if you want to, is if you go over to video, you can actually turn off these previews. So I'm going to do that. Just so when you're browsing around, when you're trying to check out things, I don't really want to see a preview in the background, as firstly that potentially slows down the device and really just gets in the way when you're trying to find something. So I'll turn that off. And also you get the option to auto start playback once the preview ends. Again, I'm going to turn that off. So let's go back. And also in the parental controls, you can set that if you want to. If you are maybe going to be sharing this device with younger kids or minors, you can limit the content. That's all good. Let's go back. Okay, so we are currently in the home section. Let's stay there. So we saw the featured content. Then you have recommended content. So here we see some of the more popular content, more recommended content. So for a quick test, if I just look at The Man, let's click on that. When you click on something, you get to see who directed the content, who it's starring, the age rating, the genre, and how long it is. Let's click on play. And this is the crazy thing, guys. I'm playing this content, and as you can see, in a couple of seconds, we are straight in there and no interruptions, no pop-ups, nothing interrupting our viewing pleasure. We are straight into the content. I can go back. Okay, I was in recommended, then you have recommended channels. I will go through the channel sections in just a second, but let's go through the main list. Leaving soon basically shows you some of the content that's leaving the platform as they make way for newer content. Then you got some sci-fi stuff, nostalgia, black cinema, recently added. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. So we can see some of the new stuff that's been added to the platform. Here, for example, we have this thing here, 2 hours and 6 minutes, sci-fi. Let's click on play, and in less than 5, 4, 3, 2, one, we are into that content, no interruptions, and we can really go ahead and enjoy all of this content, 100% official, 100% legal, and that's working great. I can forward that a bit. That's working flawlessly. Let's go back. Then you got thrillers, horror, something different, other content, other stuff, lots of different things. Let's go to the left. Okay, so let's now go over to networks. And here you can see, guys, lots of different networks in here. So if I'm only interested in content from FilmRise, I can click on that. And this will then show me all of the content from that particular network. And again, just a superb library of content that's available. Let's go back. Let's now have a look at the live TV, because that was one of the areas that was recently revamped. I was really impressed with the amount of content that you can get in here, especially with a fully working program guide. So let's click on that. And you can see, guys, now we have a fully working program guide. I can see exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. I get to see lots of different sports content, lots of different sports channels, all categorized, all properly sorted out in this massive list of channels that we can enjoy on all of our devices. That's working great. Let's look at this Astros at the Red Sox. Click on that just to show you even that the live content is working absolutely flawlessly as well. So if you're into your baseball or your sports, I'm sure you'll be able to find content in here that you can enjoy. And that really is a fantastic high definition picture. Let's go back. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this latest update to Tubi TV. As you can see, they've completely revamped the application, give it a new color theme. They've changed some of the layout, but the main thing is the sheer volume of content. With this latest update, as you've seen today, they really have added lots and lots of content across movies, TV shows. And as you saw with the live TV content, there really is a vast library of live TV channels, all with that fully working program guide. So if you're interested in news, sports, drama, comedy, I'm sure you'll be able to find some live content that you can enjoy. And to get all of that in an application that doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords, I definitely think this latest version of Tubi TV is definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, you can press the home button, open up your Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, and let's type in the word Tubi. And this is the new application here with the new banner, the new color scheme, the new logo. And there we can see in the background, this was updated on the 6th of March, guys. So literally hot off the press. This is how you can get it. Now, if you can't see this in your application store for whatever reason, you can always get the latest version, especially if you are looking for less interruptions or no interruptions. If you just head over to my website, techdoctoruk.com, head over to tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this special updated version of Tubi TV for all of your devices. The only thing to mention, as you know, with most of these official streaming applications, is you do need to have a USA IP address. For that, I'm just basically using IPVanish that allows me to fully unlock all content. And right now there is a super special offer just for the next 2 weeks, where you can get for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point, to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, you can download content, you can stream content, you can take advantage of this new advanced threat protection. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. It is only there for the next 2 weeks. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.